The universe is vast and full of mysteries. It stretches beyond our comprehension, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies, each holding secrets waiting to be uncovered. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars and wondered if we are alone. The night sky has always been a source of fascination and curiosity, inspiring myths, legends, and scientific inquiry. Are there other intelligent beings out there looking up at the same cosmic tapestry and asking the same questions? This question has driven astronomers and scientists to explore the universe with ever more sophisticated tools and techniques. In 1977, we received a tantalizing hint, a whisper from the depths of space that ignited our imaginations and fueled our desire to find an answer. This mysterious signal was unlike anything we had encountered before. This enigma is known as the WOW signal. It was a brief but powerful signal that has puzzled scientists and enthusiasts alike for decades. On August 15th, a radio telescope called Big Ear picked up a powerful signal from space. This event marked a significant moment in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. It was unlike anything ever recorded before, a narrowband emission lasting 72 seconds and centered around the frequency of 1,420 megahertz. This frequency is significant because it is associated with the hydrogen line. This frequency, known as the hydrogen line, is of particular interest to astronomers searching for extraterrestrial intelligence. Hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, emits radio waves at this frequency, making it a cosmic calling card of sorts. Hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, emits radio waves at this frequency, making it a cosmic calling card of sorts. This unique characteristic has made the hydrogen line a focal point in the search for signals from other civilizations. The signal originated from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius near a star group called Chi Sagittarii. This region of the sky has since been a point of interest for astronomers hoping to find more clues. It exhibited a surprising intensity, reaching a peak signal-to-noise ratio of 30, which was unheard of for celestial radio sources. This intensity suggested that the signal was not a random occurrence but something potentially significant. The signal's intensity was recorded on a computer printout as 6EQBJ5, a notation that would forever be etched in the annals of SETI research. This cryptic code has become a symbol of the ongoing quest to understand our place in the universe and to find out if we are truly alone. Since the discovery of the WOW signal, numerous efforts have been made to detect similar signals. Advanced radio telescopes and observatories around the world continue to scan the skies, hoping to catch another glimpse of the unknown. Despite the advancements in technology and the dedication of countless researchers, the WOW signal remains an unsolved mystery. It stands as a testament to the vastness of the universe and the endless possibilities it holds. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the WOW signal serves as a reminder of the potential for discovery and the enduring human spirit of curiosity. The universe is vast, and its mysteries are far from being fully understood. But with each passing day, we come a little closer to unraveling the cosmic enigma. The Big Ear radio telescope, located at Ohio State University, was a monumental structure, a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It was part of a long-running project called SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, a project that has captivated the imaginations of scientists and the public alike for decades. SETI's mission was, and still is, to explore, understand, and explain the origin and nature of life in the universe. This mission drives scientists to scan the cosmos, hoping to catch a whisper from the stars. The WOW signal was a beacon of hope for this ambitious endeavor, a tantalizing hint that we might not be alone. The signal was discovered by astronomer Jerry Amon, a dedicated scientist who was volunteering his time to analyze the data collected by Big Ear. Amon, like many of his colleagues, was driven by the possibility of making a groundbreaking discovery. As he sifted through the reams of computer printouts, his eyes fell upon the now famous 6EQBJ5 notation. This sequence stood out due to its intensity and unique characteristics unlike anything he had seen before. Astounded, Amon circled the alphanumeric sequence and wrote, "Wow!" next to it, a spontaneous expression of awe and disbelief that gave the signal its enduring name. This moment marked a significant milestone in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The Big Ear telescope was a marvel of engineering for its time, a giant ear listening to the whispers of the cosmos. It consisted of a large, flat reflector that focused radio waves onto two receiver horns, a design that was both innovative and effective. These receiver horns were crucial as they were designed to scan the sky for narrowband signals, which are considered good candidates for artificial emissions. The telescope's sensitivity was remarkable, able to detect signals billions of times fainter than those used for television broadcasts. This level of sensitivity was necessary to pick up the faintest whispers from the vast expanse of space. However, its field of view was narrow and it could only observe one point in the sky at a time. This limitation meant that the chances of detecting a signal were slim, making the discovery of the WOW signal even more extraordinary. The night the stars whispered to us through the WOW signal remains a profound moment in the history of SETI, a reminder of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our world. It continues to inspire scientists and dreamers alike, fueling the quest to understand our place in the universe. The WOW signal's narrow bandwidth, precise frequency, and short duration made it stand out from typical astronomical radio sources. Unlike the usual cosmic noise, which is often broad and diffuse, this signal was sharp and distinct, capturing the attention of astronomers immediately. Natural phenomena like pulsars and quasars emit radio waves across a wide range of frequencies, creating a sort of cosmic symphony that is usually easy to identify. However, the WOW signal was confined to a narrow band around the hydrogen line, which is the most abundant element in the universe and a common target for searches for extraterrestrial intelligence. This characteristic, combined with its rapid rise and fall in intensity, suggested a signal with an artificial origin. It was as if someone, or something, had intentionally sent a message across the vast expanse of space. Furthermore, the 72-second duration of the signal was significant. This duration matched the time it took for the Big Ear radio telescope to sweep across a given point in the sky. Due to Earth's rotation, Big Ear could only observe a specific point in the sky for that specific amount of time. This meant that any signal detected had to be coming from a fixed point in space, rather than from a moving object or a transient event. If the signal had originated from a fixed point in space, it would have appeared as a continuous 72-second-long pulse as Earth rotated beneath it. This is exactly what the WOW signal did, making it even more intriguing to scientists. This is precisely what the WOW signal did, adding to the mystery and fueling speculation about its extraterrestrial origins. The signal's unique properties made it a prime candidate for further investigation and debate within the scientific community. The signal's intensity also varied in a peculiar way, following a bell-shaped curve known as a Gaussian curve. This type of curve is often associated with signals that have traveled through space, indicating that the signal had a natural origin. This type of curve is often associated with signals that have traveled through space, as the signal weakens and strengthens depending on the orientation of the transmitting source relative to the receiver. The Gaussian shape suggested that the signal had indeed originated from a distant source, possibly light years away. The WOW signal's Gaussian shape suggested that it had indeed originated from a distant source, possibly light years away. This added another layer of complexity to the mystery, as it implied that the signal had traveled a vast distance before reaching Earth. The WOW signal's Gaussian shape suggested that it had indeed originated from a distant source, possibly light years away. This added another layer of complexity to the mystery, as it implied that the signal had traveled a vast distance before reaching Earth. The possibility that it came from an advanced civilization capable of sending such a signal was both thrilling and daunting for scientists and enthusiasts alike. Section 4. Echoes in the Void. Despite numerous attempts to re-observe the WOW signal, it has never been detected again. Astronomers have pointed their telescopes towards the same region of the sky, hoping to catch another glimpse of this enigmatic emission, but to no avail. The signal's elusiveness has deepened the mystery surrounding it, prompting scientists to propose various theories to explain its origin. One of the earliest explanations involved terrestrial interference, suggesting that the signal might have originated from a man-made source, such as a satellite or aircraft. However, this theory was quickly ruled out, as the signal's frequency was within a protected band reserved for radio astronomy, and no known terrestrial transmitters were operating at that frequency at the time. Another theory proposed that the signal was a reflection of a radio transmission from Earth, bouncing off a satellite or even the moon. However, this explanation was also deemed unlikely, as the signal's characteristics did not match any known transmissions from Earth, and the probability of a reflection occurring at such a precise frequency and duration was extremely low. Section 5. A universe of possibilities. As scientists ruled out the more mundane explanations for the WOW signal, attention turned towards more exotic possibilities. Could this be the long-awaited message from an alien civilization? A beacon from a distant star system signaling their presence to the cosmos? The possibility, however remote, was tantalizing and fueled the public's imagination. Proponents of the extraterrestrial hypothesis argued that the signal's unique characteristics, particularly its narrow bandwidth and precise frequency at the hydrogen line, were suggestive of an artificial origin. They speculated that an advanced civilization might choose to transmit at this frequency, knowing that it would be easily detectable by other civilizations monitoring the cosmos for signs of life. However, the lack of any repetition or discernible pattern in the WOW signal made it difficult to definitively conclude that it was of intelligent origin. If it were indeed a message from another civilization, it seemed to be a very brief and enigmatic one, leaving scientists with more questions than answers.